What's up guys? Today me and Brandon are going to do an unboxing video for BaByliss. Just sent us custom clippers and a few other gadgets, and we'll see what's in here. I already forgot what was in here. I ordered this like a month ago. It's over there and we'll go one by one. Yeah, first of all we got the BaByliss backpack. Let's check out all the compartments. Let's go by first with the main one. Right here you can see there's a lot of compartments here. We can put all our clippers. So this is a to-go bag, so it also comes with a mirror. Yeah. Yeah, very satisfying. There's a few compartments at the top, right here. One right here. Oh, it comes with a comb right here too. Let's see. A fade comb. So first, we have the custom FX clippers. We customized it, so we customized it so it's black and gold. Black and gold colorway. See what's under. So it comes with a charger. It also comes with some guards. I don't know why, but the half guard's by itself. And you got some clipper oil and a few other things right here.
Nice.
Okay, so next we have the trimmer right here. These are the black and gold trimmers we have here. Let's also turn these ones on. So there is like a half a second delay before it turns on, which is pretty cool. And last but not least, we have the foil shaver right here. So it comes with the metal case on top, metal cap. Wow, bald line. Okay, so we got the big three: clipper, trimmer, and foil shaver. Okay, so we have the professional magnetic mat. I don't even think I ordered this. I think they just sent it for fun. Yeah.
Hey guys, look at the back.
Do you want to open it?
This is what the back looks like.
Ooh, is it heavy?
No.
Oh, it's got like a non-stick mat, so you can't really move it. And then the best part about this is that there's a magnet right here. So let's say I put it right here. I can also rest them right here like this. Or the really cool part is I can go like this. Also have these hair grips. Let's open this up.
Really good.
Okay, so these hair grips, they're used to hold up hair, usually for curly hair, but we can try it on straight hair right now. This is my fade comb, and if I wanted to hold up Brandon's hair, I easily just comb it up and just hold it like that. Yeah. And if I want to add another one, let's just try to add all of them. So this is the hair grips. We're sponsored by BaByliss now. We also have these clipper sleeves. They're just to use full clippers, and there's also they're also magnetic, so they also snap. It's here like this. And if we had like a home call or something, we just toss this in the bag and go. Oh, they also sent this barber cake. Let's open it up. The last barber cape I had was sent on Facebook Marketplace, so this one's gonna be an upgrade. Ooh, this one's already heat. There we go. Oh, so this one's also the buttons thing. So let's try it on, Brandon. This is the professional cape, so that's pretty good. What do you think?
It's long, so I don't get hair in all over my body, and it's good.
No, let's just try to wear everything that we can. So
I'm wearing this for the whole video?
yeah, the rest of the video.
Okay.
Okay, there. Yeah. What else do we have? We also have our foil case. Let's open this up. This is the foil shaver. Let's just see what it looks like. Let's put it in. Fits perfectly. Nice. We're getting to our last few items. So these are the charging cases.
Not the AirPods.
No. This is the trimmer one. This is for the trimmer. And
There's one in here.
test it out. Now, these look pretty clean, if you ask me. And this one's a bit wobbly, but it's still good. Thank you for watching our unboxing video. We'd like to catch you next time. Peace.